Made for dancing. One wall phrased AB, intermediate. Weight on the left. Part A, total 54 counts, one wall. Section 1, 3 walk, right, left, right. Point with prep and snap finger. Rolling Y, quarter, half back, quarter side. Point, clap, clap. Section 2, full walk around. Right, left, right, left. Back to 12. Out, out, big step with drag. Count Part A, Section 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, left foot. Back rock, recover, quarter side, facing 9. Point left toe behind, snap and look over left shoulder. Quarter forward, quarter side, facing 9. Behind, quarter forward, facing 6. Section 4, step, half, quarter slide with drag. Behind, quarter forward, back to 12. Forward rock. Count Part A, Section 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5, left foot, point out, in, slide and drag. Jazz box, cross, back, side, cross. Section 6, right foot, point out, in, slide with drag. Left foot, back rock, recover. Count Part A, Section 5 and 6. The first two counts are count quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 6 is only 6 count. Part A, Section 7. This is also the same as the 8 count tag. Make a quarter turn side with shimmy. Quarter turn together with 2 claps. Quarter turn side with shimmy. Quarter turn together, 2 snap, right, left. This is the end of the tag, also end of Part A. Count Section 7. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Part B, total 48 counts, 1 wall. Section 1, wind to the right, side, behind, side, cross. Side touch toe behind with hand reach and pull. Side touch, side touch. Section 2, V-step with jazz hand. Out, out, in, in. Make a quarter turn side right, raise your right hand up, over 2 count. Make a quarter turn facing 6, pull right fist down. Count Part B, Section 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3 and 4 is the same as Section 1 and 2. Side, behind, side, cross. Side, touch, out, out, in, step, raise, hand, down. Count Part B, Section 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5, K-step with snap. Diagonal side, touch, snap. Diagonal back side, touch, snap. Diagonal back side, touch with a snap. Diagonal forward touch with a snap. Section 6, step right to the side. Point fingers from left to right. Finger across eyes. Count Section 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turning option for section 6 will be after the 4 counts point. Use 2 counts to draw over eyes. Do a prep and full turn and start part A walk. Count part B section 6 with option turning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Whole dance count. Part A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Part B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count for the tag. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8.